Hello everyone, I'm joined here by Miss Yogini Shahane. Thank you so much ma'am for joining us today.
Thank you, Avin.
I wanted to understand from you, as technology is advancing on a very rapid pace, we can see a lot of new technologies on the horizon,
Absolutely.
because of which we believe that there are a lot of things in the GRC sector of cybersecurity also having to evolve. And I wanted to understand from you, where do you see the future policies and decisions going?
Right, and that's a great question, and I think you have hit the point straight. There are advances in technology, and it has to be backed by the kind of policies we write, which clearly falls in the governance and risk framework. So it kind of stands as a backbone. So one is the compliance part, and one is the security part. You see a lot of regulations coming out, which you need to comply to, obviously to avoid fines and to get a competitive advantage. At the same time, there's a lot of emphasis on security, which these compliances or regulations force you to do. So any advancement in technology, if it goes hand in hand with the governance and the policies that you write to protect it, and you do GRC at start, I think you make it really, really strong. So that's how an approach should be. So if I have to give you a very clear answer about the advances in technology and where does GRC come in play, I would say every step that we take, if you write right policies, if you think of security first mindset, if you have, I think that goes a long way.
Definitely. And of course, while we're talking about the future, there is also a very new young generation who is looking to step into cybersecurity, especially in GRC.
Right.
And I'm sure that with your expertise, with the career that you have had, there are certain things that you wish you did and certain
Yes.
things you wish you didn't do.
Absolutely.
And I wanted to understand from you, where did you see the skill gap during your time and where do you see it now?
Right. So, a couple of things, right? And the very first thing that I realized was when we were working, or when I was not into security, I always felt that people in security are holding me back. They are stifling the innovation which I am trying to do. So that was one thing, and hence there was not a lot of attention given to cybersecurity. It was a buzz in places, but it was the focus was not a lot. And then we started hearing about regulations when cybersecurity became a competitive advantage, then everybody started getting into it. Till that point, it was fine. But then I think what is required right now is a very thoughtful approach to security. You cannot randomly pick and choose basis what you see. So is there a cyber security skill gap? Yes, there is. And if you ask me why there's a gap, I think the direction that the younger lot is getting right now is not enough. They hear buzzwords. I want to get into hacking. Someone hooded and a coffee mug in hand and caffeine injected people. So that's where people feel maybe that is what is cybersecurity, right? What is projected to the younger lot. So that is what is there, and hence you see a lot of gap on the other side, which is say
You only see
GRC.
attackers
Yes.
but not defenders.
Defenders, absolutely, that is one. And then people don't realize that it starts with policies, and like we were having a discussion earlier, you will first decide what to do, and then you will do. You would decide, okay, these are the guardrails within which I have to go, and that's how it should progress. So there are skill gaps in pockets, but I am really glad from the time we started to today, I think the awareness is quite some, which is very, very heartening. Yeah.
Definitely, and especially with the CYBE initiative that we
Yes.
have going on to have 1 million empowered cyber professionals by 2030. I'm sure that it is an initiative that will be run not just by CSA Bangalore, but every member of this community who wants to
Yes.
kind of have a very secure future and the next generation running well.
It's a great initiative, and I've been part of this. I'm working alongside the core team as well. So yeah, it's an absolutely great initiative. One way giving back to the community and strengthening the digital future of India. So absolutely, yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your insights. It's quite uh, amazing to learn about GRC and very insightful to learn exactly the little things where, things tend to go wrong and there are vulnerabilities in it, in a way. So thank you so much.
Thank
Ma'am.
you, Amrit.
Thank you.